Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. Today I'm here with another new video in which I will tell you about the dual WhatsApp or the clone WhatsApp in your device Mi Note 11s. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the video. If you want to download a second WhatsApp in your device, or you can say the dual WhatsApp or the clone WhatsApp in your device Mi Note 11s, you can do it by the way as I am showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video.